Local news for Friday the 21st of April. Masterton police have arrested a 30-year-old Parapara man after a pursuit Wednesday evening. A stationary speed camera had clocked the car doing 100 in a 50km/h zone. After heading north, the man was arrested in the Rathgirl School grounds and he's been charged with various driving offences, including excess breath alcohol. It's been a busy time for local police, where 2 burglaries of the lolly shop in Greytown have been solved thanks to great investigative work by local South Wairarapa staff. 2 Greytown male youths aged 14 and 15 were located on Wednesday evening, and confectionery from the burglaries was located in their bedrooms. Wednesday night at approximately 11:30pm, an extremely intoxicated 14-year-old Masterton youth allegedly took a Toyota vehicle which was unlocked and had the keys in the ignition. The youth failed to take the corner and got the vehicle stuck in a hedge. Police located him a short while after, and after a short foot pursuit, the youth was arrested. He'll be referred to Youth Aid. The message to the public is that don't make it easy for thieves. Please secure your vehicles and property. And in sport, Premier Rugby this weekend will see second place Greytown host top place Marist, Pioneer play East Coast, while Carterton play Eketahuna, and Martinborough are at home to Gladstone. And Senior Reserve Rugby also kicks off this weekend. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gear.